Hey, welcome to the training videos. In this video, we will show you how to convey the status of your work using the status meeting option. One of the key success factors of a project driven by the team is the skillful execution of providing daily status of your work. Through this activity, the team gets an understanding of what everyone is working on, what they have accomplished, and any blockers that need to be addressed. So let's get started by clicking on the More options on the Execution Board toolbar and selecting the Status Meeting option. To start the status meeting, select a value from the drop-down here. You can select all team members or teams. Note this drop-down is only available if you have created teams. In the absence of teams, the status update meeting can be conducted with all team members tagged to the cards on the execution board. For our scenario, let's select Spartans under Teams. You see the board shows the current cards tagged to the Spartans team. Click Start to initiate the stand-up. A timer starts beside the button that tracks the time progress for the entire status update meeting. The card or to-do owners tagged to the respective team are displayed at the top, having the first team member selected by default from the list of members. The timer against the owner is also started, which will help the team to track the time progress for giving a status update. The timer progress will display in green for the first minute. Switch to amber after 60 seconds and change to red after 120 seconds. Once the owner is done giving the status update, you can select the next owner and continue the status update. Next, when all the Toto or card owners have completed their update, you can click the All Team Members icon to see all the cards in the smallest zoom level. Finally, to exit the status meeting view, click the Leave Status Meeting that will take you back to the execution board. Hope you got your basic understanding of using the status meeting option by going through this training video. This similar feature is called the Stand-Up Wizard in other templates that we have covered in the Working with Stand-Up Wizard training video. If you are looking for understanding the Stand-Up Wizard feature, please go through the same. That's all for now. Thank you.